हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज हम क्लास 12 के बिजनेस स्टडी सब्जेक्ट के टॉपिक फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट को डिस्कस करेंगे। मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरी, मेन फंक्शन एंड सब्सिडरी फंक्शन। द मेन फंक्शन इज 5: प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, staffing, directing and controlling. Now we discuss one by one. First is planning. Planning is the process determined in advance what is to be done, how it is to be done, where, when, and by whom it is to be done. It involves conscious determination of a future course of action to achieve the desired result. Planning is selecting information and making assumptions regarding the future to ascertain activities necessary to achieve organization objective. It is most important part of management process. Without it, all the process of management is not run because we need planning with when we doing any work. So planning is most important function of management. Second function is organizing. Organizing is the establishing of effective behavior relationship among persons so that they may work together efficiently and gain personal satisfaction in doing selected task. It means the organizing function of management bring together human and physical resources in an orderly manner and arrange them in a coordinate pattern to accomplish planned objective. In organizing various resources, there are two resources, human resources and non-human resources, are organized so that the plan which we are prepared is fulfilled. Now we discuss third function, which is staffing. The planning and organizing function require that an enterprise is staffed with the most competent people available. It involves placing the right person for the right job at the right time. Three right means सही पर्सन को सही टाइम पर सही जॉब पे स्टाफिंग करना या सिलेक्ट करना. Staffing involve training of manager and other employee to improve their capability and preparing subordinate for the future, as well as ensuring personal development and growth. In staffing, various types of process are used: right recruitment, selection, training, development, etc. Now we discuss directing. Directing is the interpersonal aspect of managing by which subordinates are led to understand and contribute effectively and efficiently to the attainment of enterprise objective. In directing, manager direct by four way. First is supervision, second is motivation, third is leadership, and fourth is communication. With the help of this four method, a manager direct subordinate to work efficiently and achieve predetermined goal of enterprise. And the last is controlling. Controlling means the power or authority to direct, order. It also implies a standard of comparison for the result of any operation or experiment. In simple language, comparing the operating result with the plan is called controlling. Means when we use controlling process, some steps are followed by us, which are: number one step, set standard of performance. In first step we set standard. For example, any company set standard that in particular year they sell 1 lakh product. This is called standard. Second, measuring the actual performance. Now the actual performance is measured. Now when the year end, company measure that only 90,000 product will be sold. The third is analyze and comparing the performance. Now company manager compare the actual performance with the standard. He standard that 1 lakh product is sold, but only 90,000 product is sold. So there is a gap of 10,000, which is called deviation. This is fourth step. Find deviation. How much deviation? If deviation is very marginal, then no extra care will be taken. But if deviation is in large quantity, that special measure taken which is correct this deviation for future. So this is 5 steps, 5 function of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling.